Hey again. Thanks for joining us for Magiweb's podcast video series. This is episode 7, and we're going to talk about holiday marketing tips you can use. Our most recent blog post goes into more detail. The link is in the description below the video. It really is the most wonderful time of the year if you're a marketer. People are much more willing to part with their money during the holidays. Some people have to save all year to be able to splurge without guilt this time of year, but it's an almost universal thing worldwide. There's a holiday observed this time of year almost everywhere, and they range a lot. We provided a list of the incredible amount of holidays in December worldwide in our blog post. Be prepared, they're many, they're varied, and some are even outright weird. There are marketing buzzwords out there for any holiday that is currently celebrated, and we have a list of these on our post as well. These buzzwords need to match your audience's demographics, particularly those dealing with their religious stance, since most holidays are religious based. Here's one free tip we won't send you to the blog post for. Give something away for nothing. If you're giving something valuable to a prospective client, they'll remember that and they'll be more likely to buy when the pitch comes. We even included a special holiday bonus at the bottom of our post, so be sure to check it out. See you next week.